Hello students, in today's video we will be talking about the All India Sainik Schools entrance exam pattern. For class 6, the total number of questions will be 125 and the maximum marks will be 300. The time duration will be 150 minutes. It will be divided into 4 subjects: Maths having 50 questions carrying 150 marks, GK having 25 questions carrying 50 marks, Language having 25 questions carrying 50 marks, and Intelligence having 25 questions carrying 50 marks. For class 9, the total number of questions are 150 and the maximum marks are 400. The time duration will be 180 minutes. It is divided into 5 subjects: Maths having 50 questions carrying 200 marks, English having 25 questions carrying 50 marks, Intelligence having 25 questions carrying 50 marks, General Science having 25 questions carrying 50 marks, and Social Studies having 25 questions carrying 50 marks. There will be no negative marking for an incorrect answer. For more information and other details, please log on to www.ease2learn.com. You can also follow our Instagram handle ease2learn_official.